Angela, I want to register my trademark for merch. How can I do that? I'm Angela Langlotz. I'm going to spend the next 3 minutes discussing this. I practice trademark and copyright law, and I come here live on weekdays to answer your trademark and copyright law questions. If you have questions, drop them into the comments below. I will answer them on a future live video. So a lot of people who have coaching and consulting businesses come to me and say, Angela, I want to register my trademark for merch, right? Well, I ask them all the time, we can't really register a trademark for merch. So what is it that you actually want to associate with your goods and services? Now, why do we care about this? Well, we have to be pretty specific with the US Patent and Trademark Office because they want to know exactly what you're going to be associating with your trademark, because they classify the goods and services that are in your trademark application into different, they call them international classes. For example, clothing is in class 25. Things like games are in class 28. Cosmetics are in class 3. Medical things like medicines tend to be in class 5. So we need to make sure that we're properly classifying the goods and services. Why do we care? Well, we care for a couple of reasons. Reason number one is because I, as the trademark attorney, have to do a trademark clearance search. I need to make sure that your trademark isn't already being used in a manner that would cause consumer confusion and thus cause your trademark application to be rejected. So we need to be pretty specific about that. So I need to know, are you going to use it on water bottles? Are you going to use it on hats? Are you going to use it on clothing? Are you using your mark on footwear? What exactly are you going to be using your mark on? And then I can go into the trademark search tool that I use and have a list and search your trademark to make sure that there isn't already somebody using a confusingly similar mark in those classes or in any associated classes. The other reason why we need to be specific about the goods and services that we're going to associate with your trademark is because when we apply to register a trademark, we need to list those goods and services on the trademark application. And if you're using the trademark now, we also need to show use of the trademark that is consistent with the listed goods and services that we have provided to the Trademark Office. So for example, if you tell the Trademark Office that you're using it on cosmetics, but you're really using it on water bottles and we can't show use on cosmetics, that is a fail and your mark will not issue. We have to show use that is consistent between the use that you're using and what's listed on the trademark application. If we don't show that at some point, so for use applications, we show it at the time of filing. For trademark applications based on an intent to use, we show that sometime later. But at some point, we have to show use of the trademark in a manner consistent with the goods and services listing that we have on the trademark application. So I hope this helps everyone understand the importance of properly listing the goods and services on your trademark application. I'm Angela Langlotz. You can find me online at TrademarkDoctor.net. Just Google Trademark Doctor. I'm kind of everywhere. See my YouTube channel. It's got over 500 videos now, all talking about trademark and copyright issues.